Greetings! Today we are doing a review on LEGO Avengers Thor Mech Armor. LEGO number 76169. So this is a fun little set I got thanks to LEGO Smitty on Instagram. He had done a guess what's in the bag competition thingy. And I was lucky enough to figure out what it was. And he sent me this for free. So thank you, LEGO Smitty. So yeah, let's open this up and get building. Pop tabs. Okay, what do we got here? Sticker sheet and the instructions. Okay, looks like we got about 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 stickers. Shouldn't be too bad. And we have 3 bags. What fun. Tear them open here. We will do a time lapse and see how long it takes us to build this up. And then we'll take a closer look at it. See you all in a bit. Okay, there you have it, folks. Got it all built up here. Let's take a closer look. And yeah, I actually don't know a lot about this figure and all that stuff, but it was a fun little build. So we have the dual face here. Back side, front side. Cool little helmet that I'm putting on backwards. There we go. Got some nice body printing there. Really like that. Bunch of stuff going there on there in the back. Yeah, they're getting really good with their minifigures. Got a hammer. So yeah, really cool little minifigure there. And let's check out the mech here. So yeah, it's amazing how much stuff they can pack in one of these little deals here. So really cool, got all kinds of posability. I mean, he's got 1, 2, 3 joints on his legs, and also 1, 2, 3 on his arms as well. So yeah, all kinds of posability there. Got these, I don't know, I guess they're armor or wings, but yeah, you can put those in all kinds of positions. So yeah, it might actually be fun to see what kind of mock I can build out of all these pieces. I think that'll be a lot of fun. So 3 fingers and a thumb on each hand. And yeah, I got 1 printed piece here, which is really cool. I always like printed pieces. I actually did not put the stickers on. I always like to build them up without the stickers, in case I decide to use the pieces for a mock or something. But I think the pieces with where the stickers would have gone, like here on his shoulder pads and also on his hammer, which we'll take a look at here. Which is pretty cool. Got those translucent blue pieces there. Really cool little deal here, which he can grip in his hand somehow here. Oh yeah. So yeah, fun little build here. And let's see how he actually fits inside of here. That opens up a bit. And you get one of those pieces that the legs fit around down in there. Put him in there. So he actually, yeah, fits in there with his hammer. So there he is, head sticking out there. And I saw there's also a spot where we can stick his hammer at, down here on his leg. So ain't that cool? So yeah, there you have it, folks. The Thor mech armor that just lost an arm. They actually pop on and off fairly easy. But it's nice that they got a lot of, they're stiff enough that they hold the position. But yeah, cool. What fun. Thanks again, Lego Smitty, for the little competition thing you did there. And yeah, this was a cool little build. So until next time, we will catch you later.